Hello everyone, my name is Karan Patel. In this video I will show you how you can detect text from the images. Okay, so we cannot definitely convert these images to the text, but we can convert the text within the image and simply paste it on a notepad file. Okay, so for this video tutorial we convert this image to the text, which is a screenshot of the research papers that I written by Karan Patel and BH Parmar. Obviously Karan Patel I am. Okay, so without wasting a time, let's try this our algorithm on this research paper. So it's published in Taylor and Francis, an abstract and implication of rehabilitation, and this. Okay, so we want this text, okay, but it is an image form, so we cannot get this text. Okay, so for that we have to write a code, and we have to use copy paste this. Okay, copy, pip install PyTesseract and just paste it out. Okay, press enter, and my computer is already satisfied. It's taking some time. Okay, so it's we are done with the pip tesseract installation of library. So just open your command prompt and open a new file. For that we are just first of all importing libraries. Import libraries. So for that concern we are using two libraries, one for reading the images and the second one is the PyTesseract for the what we can say we can convert the we can detect the OCR. Okay, so अब OCR में क्या होता है कि optical character recognizer, which is widely used in a rehabilitation device when we are dealing with the rehab device or assisted device for the blind. ओके, सो OCR ऑप्टिकल कैरेक्टर रिकॉग्नाइजर वो क्या करेगा कि कोई भी आप PDF और अदरवाइज कोई भी आप टेक्स्ट लोगे तो उस टेक्स्ट में से वो जो अल्फाबेटिकल है, लाइक कोई भी आपका जो वर्ड है उसको मतलब इमेज में से प्रोनाउंस करके निकाल के वो आपको नोटपैड या वर्ड फाइल में दे देगा. सो आप इजीली कॉपी पेस्ट या वगैरह कुछ भी एडिट और कट पेस्ट करना चाहो तो कर सकते हो. ओके, सो फॉर दैट कंसर्न वी आर यूजिंग दिस. So first of all, to do code in that manner, so you have to just import libraries. So import PyTesseract, as a test. Okay, so the second one is image processing libraries. Import CV2. Okay, so now just read the image. Image is equal to cv2.imread. Okay, so this is a basic syntax for reading command. Okay, so our the format is PNG, and where is the text is located. So this is that text.png format. So we just write text.png format. Okay, so now we are good to go. We read the image successfully in the image img variable. So now we have to detect the text. So text is equal to the test. We are just calling this libraries the PyTesseract as a test. Okay, so we are test. We import this image to text, image underscore to text string. Okay, so this is the inbuilt function of the test library, and we have just give this image. Oops, I mistakenly right. Okay, so अब ये क्या करेगा कि हमने जो इमेज रीड करवाई है उसमें से टेक्स्ट तो हमें आ गई text वेरिएबल में. Okay, so for that we for now onwards we are just using the print syntax. Okay, and run this command. Let me save this for the py image to text. Image to text. Okay, here. Okay, so img to text. Okay, it will take some time. Image to text of py. Okay, so this is showing error as I expected, because remember that we install the PyTesseract, ओके, जो हमने पहले वो GitHub में से ये वाली लिंक में से डाउनलोड करके ये जो लिया है, हमने ये जो इंस्टॉल किया है उसे हमने यहाँ पे कहीं पे यूज तो किया ही नहीं है, ओके. सो फॉर दैट कंसर्न वी हैव टू, ओके, जो अब हम एरर कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे कि अब मैं एरर में आ रहा है, देखो PyTesseract आंसर नॉट फाउंड एरर, ओके. सो ये जो कोई भी हमने फाइल मेंशन की है वो प्रॉपर या तो पाथ में नहीं है, अदरवाइज जो फाइल है वो फाइंड नहीं हो रही है जो पर्टिकुलर फोल्डर में. सो फॉर दैट कंसर्न वी हैव टू राइट द वन मोर अनदर सिंटैक्स, ओके. सो द टेस्ट इज इक्वल टू PyTesseract, ओके. टेस्ट में से हम PyTesseract लेंगे, उसमें से Tesseract cmd निकालेंगे, मतलब जो हमारी जो कमांड लाइन है उसे हम उसमें सेट कर देंगे जिससे वो हमें कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट में जाने के लिए एक्सेस देगा, ओके. सो अब हमें यहाँ पे कौन सी पाथ डालनी है मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि जो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ओपन सी ड्राइव, ओके, प्रोग्राम फाइल्स, ओके. सो सॉरी गो इनटू द यूजर्स, उसमें से आपका जो नाम है वो उसमें जाओ, ऐप डेटा, where is the app data, okay. So just write here application data, app data, and local में से जाएंगे आप, लोकल में से आप हम एंटर करेंगे. तो क्या मिलेगा हमें, पूरी की पूरी जो इंस्टॉलेशन लिस्ट है उसमें मिल जाएगी. अब हमें यहाँ पे देखना है कि Tesseract OCR कहाँ पे है. अब Tesseract OCR यहाँ पे मिल गया हमें, उसमें से हम जाएंगे tesseract.exe करके, यहाँ पे एक फाइल होगी Tesseract OEXE, ओके. सो Tesseract OCEXE, Tesseract OCE, okay. If you do not find this file, just copy this, okay, copy this file, copy this path and just write, okay, Tesseract .exe, okay. So just write Tesseract.exe, and for that we now onwards we don't have any kind of error as of now. So just run this command. I would fixed it out because we add this Tesseract into the path, okay. So now we are good to go, okay. So this is our path. If you want this kind of don't worry, just double click on that, okay. So Taylor and Francis group, the DOI was like this: review article, check for update, assistive device, Karan Patel, Bhavesh Parmar, LD College of Engineering, GTU Ahmedabad, okay. So the abstract implication of rehabilitation, and this, okay. So this is our image and this is text, look like this, okay. So most of you that have a doubt that I want text in a notepad file, okay. So this is good for us, like we can modify this easily. So for that concern you just have to write some more codes. Let me erase this print text. So write one more line, just add, okay. Let me have the cursor. First of all, comment, create a new file. So अब हम क्या करेंगे कि अब एक नोटपैड की हमारी अलग से आउटपुट फाइल जनरेट कर देंगे कि जो हमारे फोल्डर पे रहेगी, ओके. क्रिएट अ न्यू फाइल, ओके. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस इज यूज द सिंटैक्स फाइल इज इक्वल टू, अब जो फाइल है हमारे नाम में वो सेव रहेगा, ओपन करेंगे कैसी फाइल को कि जो हमारी तो आपको नाम रखना है वो, तो हमें नाम रखना है कि output underscore current .txt, okay. So use dot mention .txt, okay. And we can write this. So for that concern you have to write W here, okay. So this will generate the entire file, and now just write this file, okay. So let me run this command, you get the more idea. Okay, so run this command and it will generate a blank notepad file in our output directory. Okay, so first of all run this command, and after this successfully run, you get an output underscore current file at our current directory. Okay, so this will run successfully, and here you get the output underscore current file here, but it's totally blank. Okay, so now we have to add some text in our Python script. Okay, so for that concern you have to write file dot write. अब हमें इसमें लिखना क्या है, तो आपको स्ट्रिंग डालनी पड़ेगी कि कौन सा स्ट्रिंग लगना है, और स्ट्रिंग हमें किस वेरिएबल में स्टोर है, टेक्स्ट वेरिएबल में। सो टेक्स्ट राइट कर दी। अब हम इस फाइल को क्लोज करेंगे, फाइल डॉट क्लोज, एंड वी आर नाउ गुड टू गो। ओके, सो run this command. I hope everything goes well. It will take some time because text is more larger. Okay, so it's run successfully. So I open this. Oops, why it's not getting in a Python script? We write okay, file dot read the text में से हमने लिया है वो जो इसमें लिख दिया है, आउटपुट क्लोज किया है हमने फाइल। ओके, so what is the matter? Refresh it, still it's not getting the output. So for that we will run again this code. No, file dot read the text जो हमने इसमें से लिया है वो, उसके बाद हमने क्लोज किया। okay, oops, I didn't close this brackets, I guess that's why it's happened. So let's run this code again, and I hope this time we will not get any error. Okay, so it's run successfully. Just refresh it. Okay, that's good. Okay, so let me zoom this and adjust the scale of this, and here you get the images. Okay, so if you want the abstract from this image, you just simply copy paste this abstract, like what is the purpose, abstract, beneficially, and blah 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 till the implication, and you just can copy. Okay, or you can cut this out. Okay, so this is what we can do with the OCR by images to text, and I hope you get the idea about that, how we can convert and use the PyTesseract library for that, generating the OCR. So that's it for the video, guys. If you have any doubt, please mention it on the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, share, and comment this out. Okay, thank you.